Hello, Jingoos. I am about to film a TikTok right now for Yes Style. And typically I like to film my videos right here. But California has not been sunny. It's been so gloomy like this. So I'm gonna film this way for better lighting. Honestly, it's still kind of bad lighting. So here's the behind the scenes of me filming my TikTok. Look at this cute cat. I just finished filming my intro and now we're gonna do an outfit change. Wow. Here is the second outfit and I'm doing my hair right now. Huh. Last outfit. And we're done. This outfit makes me want to cut my hair again. Makes me want to cut my hair this short. Should I do it? Should I do it? Yeah. It's errand day with Sunyoung.
Hey.
We got a K-pop star in here. Guess what, guys? Sunny has pink eye.
Yeah! You wanna see? You wanna see? You wanna see? Oh my god! My eyes are watering from that.
She keeps crying on one eye whenever she laughs or literally from anything. It just stimulates the eye tears. Right?
If I just look at yoojin, I can start crying.
I just make her so happy. Lots of returns to do, guys. This is extra beer from our party that we got from Costco and we're just gonna return it.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh, the car is waiting. Hey car.
That's so awkward. Bonk.
Where are they going?
Bombastic side eye.
We are at the Glendale Galleria because I need to do some returns here. Sunny's gonna get her leggings hemmed at Lulu's.
CC? What?
I don't know. Dude, last time there was literal like human feces right here.
Oh my god.
And everyone that walked down, they were like,
Oh my god.
let's see if it's still here.
What? No way.
I was literally here a few days ago. Oh. It's there!
Oh. Oh my. Oh my god.
Can you believe it?
What's the stop?
I'm so stupid. Pink eye girl.
You're so embarrassing.
Stop bothering me.
When will you ever be quiet?
Dude, when will you ever be quiet? Oh my god, that's a lot of puppies. Puppy! How does one have that many dogs? Sunny needs to get her pants hemmed, so I'm just waiting. We're picking up our birthday gift from Sephora. This is the gift that I got.
This is the gift that I got.
Happy birthday to us. Ah, ah. Hey, Jingoos. Oh, I don't know. How are you guys doing?
What are you guys doing here, Jingoos?
Wait, you guys have the mall too? Bless you. I bless you. I bless you. I bless you. I bless you. Ring, 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 ring. Hello?
Hello?
Sunny.
Oh, yoojin.
What's up?
Sunny? I canceled you yesterday, guys.
Yes, this is what we do in our free time.
Little disclaimer, Idris.
Disclaimer to the
alert.
viewers.
My pink eye is not infectious anymore because I've been taking antibiotics for 24 hours plus. So just letting you know. And we're back. Go. That's actually crazy.
It's literally so big.
Yeah. Why is it still here?
I don't know. Who's gonna clean it up
I
though?
know, who's gonna clean it up?
Woo! That was an adventure, right, Sunny?
Wow, that was such an adventure.
And we're hand sanitizing because, you know, Sunny has pink eye.
Oh my gosh, you gave me so much.
You need a lot.
Oh my god. It's a soup. Soupy soup. Now we're off to
Costco.
Costco. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, bye. Oh my god, Yoojin sprayed so much perfume at Sephora. And it's like everywhere. What? It's too much. I'm gonna throw up.
That's
like,
so rude.
It's like the scene where SpongeBob walks into the department store and he's like trying to crawl through the perfume. That's me right now with Yoojin.
She's being dramatic.
Dude, it's
She just can't take
oh my
perfume
god.
well.
Dude, she sprayed like 10 times, she said.
Okay.
That's crazy.
But you can't smell anything in there. So I was like,
Dude, I was walking right behind her and it was just like, perfume! That's crazy. Perfume!
I smell delicious.
Too much deliciousness. 21 questions with Yoojin Jung. What's your favorite color?
Lavender and yellow.
That's okay. What's your favorite season?
Spring.
What's your favorite flower?
Tulips.
Hey, listen up, okay?
Listen
Tulips.
up, boys.
What's your favorite brand? If you could partner with one brand, who would you want to partner up with?
I want to partner up with Sunny Park Photo.
Okay. Oh, we've already done that. What is one thing you would like to do this year?
Fart on Sunny's other eye so she can get another pink eye.
What is your dream meal?
Dream meal? I don't know.
What would you like to eat on your deathbed? If you're healthy and you can still eat spicy food.
Just one? Okay. I don't know.
Okay, you didn't.
I love all foods. I would just want a buffet of all my favorite foods.
Oh, I see. Your favorite movie? Okay, this segment is cancelled.
How do people think of things right off their heads? I just have too many favorite movies. I have too many favorite foods.
Yeah, I think favorites are a hard question.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite food?
Yeah, I don't know.
Then shh. Someone cool just really texted. Wait, someone really cool just
Someone
texted
cool
me.
really just texted her.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Okay, can you send a 영상 편지 to this cool person?
You rock, cool person. Don't record it. Don't record it.
How did she know?
I saw you.
Bye.
We're still stuck with this actually. Apparently you can't return alcohol, which we didn't know. And also, I forgot my mom's Costco card. So they convinced me and Sunny to get a Costco card. And now we are Costco card owners. Okay, we have one more errand to run, and that is picking up my new camera. It is the new Sony zv-1 2. I've actually been wanting the zv-1, but they came out with a new one. So here we are at Best Buy to pick it up. They lost it.
They lost it.
Oh my gosh, hi! So nice to see you.
She's insane. Oh my gosh, hi, so nice to see you.
So nice to see you.
Thank
you so much.
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Wow.
As some of you guys may have saw in the other video, Sunny and I had a conjoined birthday party, and we had film photos. Conjoined? Conjoined? We had a conjoined birthday party, and our film photos from the night has arrived.
Yahoo! Oh, my hair is so red.
Time to unbox the new camera. It's so small and cute. Whoa. It's pretty wide. Okay, it is recording and it is pretty wide. Oh my gosh! Wait. Well, this camera is definitely a lot wider than this one. That's for sure. My skin looks so soft, like a baby's butt. I like it. I do wish it was a little bit wider, like this camera, but honestly, it's nice. Would recommend. Hello. I put the fluffy thing on. Wow. Wow. Anna, you look so cute. Hello. Oh my god! We gotta censor that. Hi, Disneyland! Sunny and I were supposed to go to Disneyland today, but she has pink eye.
Just really unfortunate. Health is wealth, everybody. Take care of yourselves.
Don't touch your butthole and then touch your eye like Sunny did. Don't do it, you guys. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Oh, Nana. Oh, Nana. Oh, Nana.